Blue light therapy uses blue and red light to kill acne-causing bacteria on and under the skin. It is a safe and effective treatment for acne. The BlueMD uses a proprietary, custom-manufactured bulb that emits the exact spectrum of light needed to kill acne-causing bacteria. The blue light prevents acne breakouts before they form, reduces the severity of acne after it has formed, and over time, permanently reduces or removes acne from your life. Consistent use of BlueMD helps decrease the amount of oil and sebum on your skin and has been shown to shrink the pore size in some individuals. Use for just 5 minutes, 3 times per week. BlueMD light therapy is a 100% natural, painless, and non-invasive acne treatment that is safe for all ages and daily use. The BlueMD is simple and easy to use. It has been designed to integrate comfortably into your lifestyle and can be used hands-free while laying down, sitting up, or any other comfortable positioning. It delivers results on par with clinical treatments over time and will save you hundreds of dollars. Do not wait, order BlueMD now to reveal your radiant and youthful skin. Safe and effective. BlueMD light therapy is a safe and effective skincare technology used by dermatologists to treat acne. Heal and prevent. BlueMD penetrates deep into pores, healing blemishes and preventing future breakouts. Reduce inflammation. BlueMD emits red light to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing. Clear skin. BlueMD heals your acne from the inside out for clearer, smoother, blemish-free skin for both men and women. 60-day money-back guarantee. All devices and panels have been carefully tested and designed with your skin safety in mind. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.